from Arfurla companies. Thank you for coming to watching our introduction of our new functions today with the vaginal tightening and dental handpiece. And as usual, I want to introduce you our market and the customers, factory, and also the product first. About our customers, our company, Arfurla company in Hangzhou, and our factory is in Beijing, and we have lots of customers all over the world. For example, the Europe countries and also the South America, Canada, and Mexico. And as we all know that Mexico customers is very easy to pass. So our factory built a warehouse in Mexico. So if you are from Mexico, we have warehouse there, and we can ship the laser machine directly from our Mexico warehouse to your address, and it only takes 3 to 4 days. It's very fast. And also we have many customers from the South America, and like Chile and Dominico and Bolivia and other countries and so on. And about our factory has been in our market for over 9 years, and so do I. So I have know all the laser machines, no matter with similar with or laser or other laser functions machines. So you have any questions, and if you want to make a comparison, you can ask me, and I will help you. Also about today, we will introduce you the original tightening handpiece and the dental handpiece. About the price of our laser machine on the market, you can see many different price, different quality laser machines on market, but with the same quality and the same treatment results, our price is the best on market. Also, you can check on the market, so you will know it too. Because our factory wants to enlarge our market first, to let our customers know about our quality and good results. That's why we sell so good price on the market. And from the feedback of our other customers who already bought the laser machine, 70% of those customers who already bought and tested the laser machine, they bought the second and third side after that, because they are very satisfied with the laser machine and also treatment results. Also, the rest of 70% customers, they buy the rest of handpiece. As we all know that our laser machine is the multifunction laser machine with in total 10 functions. And next I will introduce 10 functions of a laser machine. I will not introduce them all, because today we will mainly introduce the vaginal tightening handpiece and dental. And if you want to know other functions details, you can leave message to us and contact us. We will arrange another online video, okay? And for all 10 functions on our laser machine, like the vascular removal, lipolysis with the fiber, and lipolysis handpiece with one handle and 5 needles, and physical therapy handpiece. And like our last introduction, we introduced to you our standard physical therapy handpiece and our new physical therapy handpiece with three tips. And if you want to know more details, you can check our last video. And also the nail fungus removal handpiece. And on the second page, you can see 7 functions like the cutting mode. Cutting mode mainly you can connect with 2 handpieces, like the humerus laser treatment with the humerus handpiece with 2 needles, and the endoscope, and also the random fiber. Also the cutting mode, you can also connect the cutting handpiece with the optical fiber. And the ENT mode and the vaginal tightening mode. Also we write here in 10-minute mode is the same. And the EVLT mode with random fiber, and the dental mode we will introduce you later. And the PLDD mode also with random fiber. If you want to know other functions detail, you can contact us and leave message to us. We will introduce you one by one, okay? And today we will introduce you our vaginal tightening handpiece. So next I will introduce our handpiece. This is for the vaginal tightening handpiece. As you can see, you will receive 2 glass tube. It's made of glass. 2 glass tube and 1 handpiece. Here is a connector, and this is a handpiece. Okay, I will connect on the laser machine first, and I will introduce you later on the handpiece. Okay, and the first, also on the laser machine, the most important thing you need to take care of is connectors here, and the connectors cannot be exposed under the air too long time, because once the dust gets into the connectors, the fiber will be easy to burn. But don't worry, it's not that easy. If you can protect it well, it will be okay. Okay, and now we connect it. And okay, and this is the bottom tightening handpiece. I will connect the connector here, and you can see here this is the handpiece. You can see the scale on the handpiece, the numbers, so you can testing with each different customers. Also, there's a glass tip here. It's a round glass, and inside of the glass handpiece, this you can see the fiber. This is a random fiber with 600 nanometer and 3 meter length inside. And also on the outside, you will receive this glass tube here. This is glass tube, and how you do treatment with this handpiece. Just put the glass tube on the outside of the treatment handle and make it tight. And there's nothing you need to put outside. Also, you can put some cooling gel outside to make it easy to get in. And also, there is no consumable or disposable on the vaginal tightening handpiece, because for our glass tube after the treatment, you can disinfect it, and our glass tube can withstand 121 temperature disinfection. So after treatment, you just disinfect glass tube so you can use again next time. So there's no consumable or disposable. Also, if you don't want to disinfect it, if you think it's complicated, you can also buy new glass tube from our factory. Okay, our factory sells all the accessories or parts or spare parts for all of our handpiece and functions, no matter for the handpiece, fiber, glass tube, needles, or others like the fuse, foot switch, and others. We have our factory have them all, so you can contract us and let us know what you need. Okay, we have all of them. Okay, this is the vaginal tightening handpiece and how to install it, how to do treatment, and for the treatment results from our customers. After the treatment, our customers, the vaginal can be tightened and improved 40% than the treatment, than before the treatment. This is the real treatment results feedback from one of our customers in US. And also, if you want to know details on the details, you can contact us. We send you the catalog, video, and other details. We have them all. And next, I will show you how to working with the bare fiber and how to testing the energy. Okay. Okay. When price standby, you can see the after a price, then you can see the red light here. Okay, and inside of the treatment handle, this is the random fiber. This is the random fiber, and you can see here more clearly here. It's a random fiber inside, so you can see a red light here. It's not just a spot. This is a shaped circle, red circle here. This is how it's to the treatment inside of the treatment area, like this. See? Okay, and next I will show you testing the energy with testing double C frequency card. If you already see our videos as below, you guys even know this is the double frequency card. It's used to testing if a laser machine is working well, that it has good energy or strong energy. Okay, before testing it, I will turn off the red light so you can see it more clearly. Okay, I press standby and I will using the photo switch working. and you can see. Did you see? Because the light. Okay, I can see the red light. You see, the green with yellow light. You see, green with yellow light. If you can see the green with yellow light, it means that the laser machine is working fine and also with strong and powerful energy. Why I put the handpiece like this? Because the energy is a circle, so I have to do like this on the side. Each side of the handpiece, you can also see the green light, no matter each side here. Yeah. Because the energy is a circle, so I have to testing like this. Don't like this. It's this because energy is here. Okay, and this is how to testing the laser machine with the double frequency card. Each of our customers of you, including you, can receive one this. Because this is for this, because for other videos with other handpiece, you will receive a new one. Don't worry about it. Okay, this is the testing board to testing the energy of the laser machine and see if the laser machine is working well in good condition or with the strong and powerful energy. Okay, after testing it here, and as we all know on the market for the vaginal tightening functions, there are mainly three technologies of machine on market for vaginal tightening. Like the first one is CO2 fractional laser. As we all know, the CO2 fractional laser is a vertical laser machine, very big, and the price is very high too. And the second is HEP machine with vaginal tightening handpiece. And the third one also is the most advanced one. New technology is our fiber coated laser, because the laser machine will transmit the energy with the fiber. You see inside, and handpiece is a fiber, random fiber to working, transmit from the inside laser direct energy from the cable and to the treatment hand. It's a fiber technology, and it's a random fiber technology with 600 nanometer and 3 meter length inside and working. Okay, and I will introduce you what is the difference with those three technologies like CO2 fractional laser, HEP machine, and our new technology fiber coated laser machine from the price, energy, and the lifespan, and also the treatment results. Okay, first from the energy. The CO2 fractional laser, the energy for CO2 fractional laser machine is around 30 to 40 watts, and the energy for HEP machine is below 10 watts. Because as we all know, that HEP machine has very low power because of the technology, also according to the price. And for our fiber coated laser machine, the power is 13 watts. It's the similar energy than the CO2 fractional laser. Okay, this is the difference on the price. Okay, second on the treatment results, as the feedback of our customers, because our customers have some have CO2 fractional laser, some have the high vaginal tightening, and others with our fiber coated laser machine for vaginal tightening. And from the feedback of those customers, we know that the treatment results from CO2 fraction laser and our laser fiber coated laser machine, the vaginal can be tightened and improved, as I just said, 40% than before. This is the treatment results about CO2 fraction laser and our laser fiber coated laser machine, 40% than before. Tighten and improved the treatment error, 40% than before. And for the HEP machine, the treatment results is 2 to 10% than before. Because the energy is low, so the treatment results is also not good than the CO2 laser machine. Also, it's different technology. CO2 laser and our laser belong to laser technology, and the HEP machine is usually sonic technology. And also, the laser machine has a higher power. The HEP machine has low power. Okay, and from the lifespan, the HEP machine, the lifespan is usually from the feedback of our customers. They use the HEP machine around 3 to 4 years at most. because they need to replace the cartridges at all the time. So it's very easy to have the problems. And for our lathe machine, our fiber coated lathe machine, and also the Vaginal CO2 lathe machine is all. You can use the lathe machine all the time. Very few clients feedback that it has a problem. You can use it all the time without any problems. Also, about the consumable, the CO2 fractional lathe and our laser fiber copy lathe machine, there is no consumable and no disposable on the machine. You don't need to replace any parts. For this glass tube, you can choose to disinfect with a hand temperature, very easy to do. Also, if you don't want to replace, you can buy new one. Otherwise, there is no consumable or disposable on our fiber copy lathe machine. There's no. But for half machine using the cartridges on the treatment hand, cartridges very small here, very small on their handles. One cartridge have 10,000 shoes. This is the lifespan of each cartridge. And when each cartridge the shoes used out of, you need to buy a new one. And the price for new cartridges is $115 around. So you have to replace the cartridge all the time. Also, I forgot to introduce the price, right? For the CO2 fractional lathe machine is the professional laser, mainly treatment by the professional doctors. And for our fiber copy lathe machine, all the customers, no matter for doctors and the built-in people, all of them can use the machine. It's not very required by doctors. No, all of the people, customers can use our fiber copy lathe machine. It's very safe and easy to operate. About price, the CO2 fractional lathe machine is around $5,800 around $508,000, and this price is over double price than our fiber copy lathe machine. About the half machine is around $1,800. Yes, the price for the half machine is cheap, but you have to replace the cartridges all the time. And the price for each cartridge is $150. Many companies in the south of China and the factory sell a very cheap half machine. Why? Because they don't earn money by the half machine. They only earn money by selling the cartridges. Because cartridges is $150, they're very expensive. So they are mainly, and the customers will need to replace the cartridges all the time. So they mainly earn money by selling the cartridges. That's why you think the half machine is very cheap. Okay, this is the difference between the CO2 fractional laser and our fiber copy lathe machine, and half on the price, lifespan, treatment results, and the energy. And if you want more details, or if I didn't explain it very clearly, you can contact us. We will send you the PDF or Word PDF file to introduce you the difference between those three machines. Okay. And for our fiber copy lathe machine with the vaginal typing handpiece, it's very easy to operate it, very convenient to use. And besides, before you receive your lathe machine, we will send you the user manual and how to maintain the lathe machine, how to protect the fiber handpiece, and what you need to take care of during using the lathe machine and handpiece, and the training details like the suggested parameters. How much energy, how much points, how much frequency, and which mode you should choose. We will send you all those details. Besides this, we can also introduce a professional customer. He has used our lathe machine for many years, and he has all the functions of our lathe machine. So you can contact him to get more details or training or something. Or in future, if you buy new handpiece, you can also ask him. It's also the service from one of our customers from our factory. We will send you everything for the this handpiece and lathe machine. Also, like the install video, how to install the lathe, how to install the handpiece. Also, if you don't want to see the user manual or any files, you can contact us and calling us online video. We will guide you how to do on each steps. like this, one by one here, with a machine handpiece, and we show you how to do. You can follow us by our guidance. Okay, and this is for everything information for our vaginal tidying handpiece. If you have any questions and want to get more details, videos, you can leave a message here, and also you can contact us by WhatsApp, Alibaba, or Facebook. Anywhere you can contact us, so we can send you all the details. Also, don't worry about the operators and the suggested parameters and the training. Everything we will send you. Our factory will help you, and our sales people will be 24 hours online for you. No matter you have any questions or if you might any problems or troubles, so we can all help you. Don't worry about it. Okay, and next, my colleague Jason will introduce you a surprise about another small product. It's a surprise because it will be for free to send to you as long as you buy our little machine recently. Okay, Jason.
Hello everyone, this is Jason, and I will introduce to you the plasma pen. And you can see here is a red pen. It's very professional, and there are 6 needles. You can see these 2 red needles is used to skin tighten and wash face, and these 4 yellow hand needle is used to remove moles. And I will show you how it works. And here you can see the on-off button, power button, and frequency button. And you can press the power button and the frequency button to set the power and the frequency. And then you can press the on-off button around 3 seconds. You can see the pen works. And then you can press the power button and the frequency button to set the level. You can see the red light. One red light means one level, and after that, you press the on-off button and it can work. And I will show you how it works on leaves. After that, press the red button, it just can work. You can see here. You can see the spark and the smoke here. Oh, it's really big energy. Similar product on the market, the power is very low, and compared to the similar product, it's more safe and it's easy to use. If you place an order recently, you can get a plasma pen for free. It's used to cutting function and removal the moles. And then press the on-off button, it just stop works. And press around 3 seconds, it stop work. That's all about the plasma pen.
Okay, thank you, Jason, for introducing the surprise for free plasma pen. Okay, and next I will introduce. If you will place order recently, you will receive 1 free plasma pen, and the pen has 6 tips with the needles and the skin rejuvenation treatment tips, like the pigmentation removal, cutting functions, mole removal, and also the skin rejuvenation, wrinkle removal, and skin tightening. You can see it's very small, but the functions, there are many functions. It's beautiful function plasma pen. It's very useful, no matter for personal use or use on your spa clinic and salon. It's very useful. Most customers will buy for their use for their own, and also use on their business for their customers. Also, you can get this for a present for your customers if this is a regular customer. Okay, and if you want to know more details, you can also see our link here. There is a post for introduce the plasma pen, and also can contact us to get more details like the user manual, catalog, and the video for this pen. Okay, and next we will introduce you another treatment handpiece, also the new one on the market. It's also the new one. The vaginal hygiene handpiece with the fiber coated technology is advantages and new technology on the market. Not many factories has it. You can check on the market. Not many countries sell this, and not all of them can produce. Okay, and next I introduce you the dental handpiece, as you can see here. This is the treatment handle. And later I will show you how to install. And this is the therapy treatment handle. Therapy treatment for oral pain relief. And this is for pain relief. This is for the teeth whitening treatment tips. And this is the bell stimulation treatment tips. All those three tips can be installed in the same one treatment handle. Also, there you will receive the free needles. The needles you can connect with the treatment handle too. There's no place for needles, but you will receive four free needles with the fiber on tape, so you can do the soft tissue cutting functions. Okay, soft tissue cutting functions with the needles on the top of the treatment hands. You will receive it together with the handpiece. Okay, I will show you how to install this handpiece. And it's very easy to install the handpiece too. As you can see, treatment handle, cable, and the connectors. Also the same, when you replace another treatment height, you need to make it very fast to avoid it is paused under the air turn down time. Okay, this is for dental handpiece. And first, I want to install these whitening handles. Also, by the way, for our dental handpiece, all of the people can use the treatment with this handpiece because it's very easy to use, very safe to use. Also, you don't need to be a professional doctor. You can also use it. It's very easy to do, very safe. And also, we will send you the suggested parameters. See, you can see, just connect it, maybe okay. Yes, you don't need to be a doctor to use this. All the people can use this handpiece with these functions. Okay, and before you receive the later, we will send you the training details with all the suggested parameters. So you will know how much energy you will use, which mode you will choose. Okay, and also still I will testing the energy with the double frequency card, with the treatment height. Also use the full speed, and just now I turned off the red light, so there is no red light you can see after I press standby. And later, now I will testing the energy for you. Do you see? You can see the yellow with green light on the testing card, also called double frequency card. This is used to testing the energy. So just now you see the green with yellow color. It means the laser machine has very powerful and strong energy. Also, it's working very well with the conditions. Don't worry about I said very strong and powerful energy, because inside of the laser machine, laser dye is powerful and strong, means the laser working very well. But when you set the energy, you don't need to set that high. So don't worry, because there is a function on the laser machine with physical therapy for pain relief. This handpiece needs hand power. That's why the laser is hand power energy. Okay, and this is for teeth whitening, and most of people can know how to do it with it. Just put some agents on your piece and pour the piece on your teeth, and working like 30 to 45 or 30 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes. Also, it's according to the conditions of your customer's teeth. You can choose how much time for the treatment, like 20, 25, 30, or 45 or minutes. Okay, you can choose. Also, on our screen, there is a timer on the treatment screen. You can see on timer, you can set the time from 10 minutes to 60 minutes. So if you customers do treatment for 20 minutes, you can start 20 minutes here. So when the time is up, the laser machine will stop working. So you will know the treatment time is up. You don't need to watch other times. So it's very easy to do. This is for test. It's working. And next, I will show you another treatment height. It's also called the temporal. Sorry, I will make it 10 in stone age. It's also called the temporal mandibular joint therapy. Also, it's this function therapy. You can see the same way to connect the treatment height, like this. And this is for pain relief, especially for the oral pain relief, because it's very small. If you know how what's the look with our physical therapy handpiece, it's similar like this, but the treatment height is very big. Just like this, very big. It's very small, so it's for the oral pain relief on the teeth, small treatment parts. It's very easy to do and very safe to treatment. Also, there's no professional. You don't need professional training or professional certification to do this. Don't worry. And if you need if you need training certification, our factory can offer you the training certification and with the name of our company, we can offer it to you if you need it. So let us know if you need it. Okay, next I will introduce another. It's the biostimulation tips. Biostimulation tips, also the same way to connect the treatment height and also the handle like this and pull it off. This is the protect cover. When you don't use this handpiece, please remember to put it on. And I will turn off the lights so you can see the red light later. Did you see? You can see the red light here. Because I turned off the red light, so you can see it. Also the same, I will testing the energy with the double fixing card, and I will turn off the red light so you can see the color more clearly. Okay, after twice standby, I will switch the full switch so you can see. Did you see? Very strong and powerful green with yellow color. It means the laser machine and the handpiece and the treatment tapes and also the fiber and the cable, they are working in good conditions. They are working very well. So we will send to every one of you this testing card. So you need to keep it. So when there's something on the laser machine, you can test it at any time you want. Okay? This is the biostimulation functions for this. And okay, this is for our dental handpiece. And if you want to know more details, you can contact us to get more details, like the catalog and more details, what functions for each treatment height can do, what else functions they can do, and how to do treatment, and what is the suggested parameters. And we will send you all those details before you receive the laser machine. And also we can, no matter which functions, which handpiece you buy, after you bought the laser, we will introduce your professional doctor who has used our laser machine for many years. So he can help you on training things for any functions because he has all 10 functions and fibers on the laser machine. So he can help you no matter which handpiece you buy, which functions you choose, and which fiber you have. Okay? And if you have more questions, you can contact us at any time. And also, if you don't mind, you can press the button follow. You can see there is a follow button on the video on your app. So just press it so we can update the information and for new leaders, new information for you once a week. Okay, and so that's all today. If you want to see other introductions for our other functions, other fibers, you can contact us, and so we can arrange another one on the video for you to show you how to do it. Also, if you want to see the training video for each functions, you can contact us to let us know and we can arrange for you, okay? And this is all today. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.